Good morning. Today is November 1st, 2024. I'm here at Julington Creek Marina, and this is piling cleanings, and we'll do the inspection already since we're here. I'm going to do them in rows. There should be 16 rows. There are 7 piles in total. I'm going to do them in rows of 7, 1 through 4. It's going to be 1 is great, 4 is in needing attention, like this one would be. This one is attached to this one underneath. I'm going to go ahead and still rate this one, even though we can't really do anything about it since it's attached. So let me go ahead and start with this. I'm going to just do all 7 of them down there, and then we'll do another video for the next 7. Pile number 1 is a 1. Pile number 2 is a 1. Pile number 3 is a 1. Pile number 4 is a 2. number 7 is a 1.